Just stay Frazzle. Ash, go Incubus. And yun lang. Okay. One hand go northwest. I am gonna guard through southeast.
May blob dito sa labas, sa may del.
As long as hindi malapit sa atin. Z,
Okay.
go northwest. Z.
They zone out.
Phoenix, go northwest. Asher and Yoshi, stay southeast. Breg, go northwest. Okay. So, Rina is gonna stay in the middle. Yung positioning, guys, triangle the usual, okay? Rina is gonna stay here in the middle. Kuroshimi, just as much as you can, just jump from one circle, this circle, to the other circle. Okay? So that you won't go near the DPS or the rest of the party. Yoshi, you go here, northeast side, and then see Asher is here, sa southwest side. This is during the spread, okay? This is gonna be your positioning during the spread. Asher.
Hello?
Tawag na.
That's me. That's me. That's
Okay.
Oh, bebe time.
Just maintain distance, party. Awa, just drop your robe on the one, your druid cowl sa yung aksaya sa mana. Pimig, who was that? Did I ask you to bring druid cowl? Okay, so you're good. So Breg, just drop your druid cowl on Z. And royal jacket to whoever. What happened to you, Gray? DC
Pumasok
ka?
ako sa mist. No, madam. Pumasok ako sa mist kanina.
Okay,
Wala
okay,
party.
okay. Yoshi, tell us if you're ready. Everybody again, be on dodge roll. Yoshi, tell us if you're ready. Okay. Let me check mo. Kurishimi! Ay, sorry, akala ko. Go Holy Beam. Kurishimi. Just go Holy Beam. And then, just focus healing on me. And, Alba will sustain you. Okay? I'm gonna start. Okay na naman.
Nagdadala na rin sana ako ng pambalat.
Small damage first party. Big damage now. Full damage. DPS. Party, stack, southeast, stack. It's the first phase, so you don't need to spread yet. Kuroshimi, main heal, stack with the party in southeast. Stack with the party, main heal. It's fine, you can still reach me. Uy, yeah. Fallen on me. Fallen on me, fallen on me. Alwa, fallen on me, Alwa. E. Press your E. Cleanse. Rina, can you switch to cleanse, Rina? Labas ka muna saglit. Switch to cleanse. In case di marinig ng mga party healers. Not the ano ha, yung ano mo. Ang inang yan. Ano nga yung
Ko
helm
kayo
ni
guys
Rina?
para di kayo mabad trip.
Rina, you're in Assassinhood, right? Your Assassinhood should be in cleanse. Lami. Ano? Sorry guys. Nagagago ako. Sorry. Wait lang. Lami, position it properly first.
Southeast party dead.
Lahat?
Ako.
Paki-heal. And sustain me. Okay, my bad. Let's try to sustain Rina, are you back? Rina ba pa? Okay. Rina, cleanse on me. Somebody cleanse me? Okay.
Ano gusto niyo ang kanta guys?
Ayaw, di mo...
Cocomelon pre, okay na yan.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Party. Ang gulo. Sorry, ang gulo. Let's just leash it. Sorry.
My bad luck.
Okay, party healers, when I say fallen on me, please drop your E on me. Okay, sige, ulit. Let's do this again. Sorry, that was my bad. Tamaan ako.
No, my fault.
Mistake.
Nag-FK ako. Sorry, sa akin.
Oh, AFK Alua.
Yeah, I have.
Wheels on the bus go round
Okay,
and
tell
round.
me if you're ano. Sige, it's fine.
No, may kumanta. May tumawag.
Tell us if you're AFK so that ano.
Di ba ako narinig kanina? Sinabi ko,
Hindi.
5 minutes, sorry.
Hindi
Wala.
ko nakita.
No, nagsabi ako chat. Boy, sa ano.
Wala, Alua, wala.
My bad. That's my fault.
I'm
Sorry.
gonna start now. Party.
It's your fault. It's your
Rina, are
fault.
you on? Sige na. Okay. So, Rina, in case the party healers can't cleanse me, if naging stone ako, just cleanse me with your ano.
My heart is buried in Venice. Di ko alam yan, Z.
Kuroshimi, stack with party, please.
Uno, dos. Mga ganun dapat.
It's me.
Gusto niyo kuan? Ang tawag dito, Kitchenadal medley. Ops, dual sword, solo player.
Solo player. Pagbalik meron ng ganking team.
Walang guild.
Malay mo, nagsumbong.
Sumbong
Nagtawag.
ko siya sa
Sigurado
mama ko.
ka.
Nagtawag.
Sigurado ka.
Sumbong ko siya sa mama ko. Ma,
Inga.
Stack closer as party in southeast. Stack closer.
dito lang yung mama ko sa tabi ko.
Tilted po yung anak ninyo. Namatayan yan.
Hindi ako makahawak talag keyboard kagabi.
Nanlamig ka ba?
Nung namatay na.
Echo live comms eh.
Uy, hindi
Daw
mo
mak-
yung keyboard mo. Okay?
Hindi. Wala namang kasalanan yung keyboard.
Kaya ako
Papagas- Napagastos ka na nga sa Albion, gagastos ka pa sa totoong buhay.
Spam your frazzle, Rina. Oo nga pala, first defensive. Tanginang yan. First defensive. Forgot. Oh shit.
No.
Oh shit, party. Sorry, party. Oh my god, I need to.
Wait lang, kalma niya. Ipifix yan ang tang.
Wait lang,
Focus,
wait lang.
madam, focus.
Yeah.
So, papapok.
Just stand on the guardrail.
Tut.
Okay. Come here,
Tut,
Masi.
tut.
Res
Dun,
on
dun,
Rina,
dun.
res on Rina. Sorry,
Na,
okay,
na,
stabilize,
na.
stack more, pati, stack more. Stack.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
First defensive
na,
GA,
na.
second defensive one hand. Yun lang yung gusto ko sabihin eh, sorry.
Kinakantan ko na nga kayo ng Eye of the Tiger para ganado kayo eh.
Ay,
Last-
nako.
Sino ba yung kumakanta kagabi? Ganda ng boss na kumakanta rin kagabi.
Thank you.
Hindi ikaw yan, sorry.
Yung mikmik kasi, kung di ako nagmikmik, main love ko sa boses ko. Tignan mo si Boss Yearning. Ganda ng boses. Muntikan lang sa
Gray,
mikmik.
nababakla ka na naman, Gray.
Napaghahalataan.
Uy,
Spread
wag
now,
kang
spread
ganyan.
party, first defensive GA. Version
Kawawa
armor.
yung bebe ko pag naging bakla ako, mawawalan siyang jowa. Baka magmadre yun.
Ayun pa kayo guys. Nag-stack yung damage. Split more.
Second defensive now.
Nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa akin, yak pogi ba yan?
Hindi.
Tama.
Whoever has cleanse, go to me.
Madam, ubos na yung mga puno dito. Global warming na to.
First defensive now. Shut up, Gray. Patubuin mo muna.
Diyan ka nagkakamali niyaw. Maling mali ka dyan, pre.
Second now.
Pre, ka-process mo yung yung
Kuroshimi, stay away from the party.
Yeah, we're stacking damage.
Go to me, Kuroshimi. Okay. Hindi niya alam ata yung boss.
Is Kurishimi as...
Kuroshimi, don't go behind me. Just go to the sides. Kuroshimi, sides. Not there. Go to the sides. First defensive now, Rina.
Are you Filipino, Kurishimi?
Kuroshimi, okay. stay away from the party. Keep your distance from them, otherwise they're gonna die.
Kurishimi, are you a Filipino?
Tagalog siya, Tagalog siya.
Utang ina yan. Hindi sumagot. Pinag-English
Ah, no,
ako.
it's Philadelphia. Oh, yeah, I forgot. It's Philadelphia and I forgot.
Oh, you're Philadelphia and I'm from
Bakit ako
PH2.
nag-guard yun?
Philippines.
Sorry, Kurishimi. I forgot your Philadelphian.
Yeah, blame the RL, bro. Don't worry about it.
You. Res me, party healers.
First
Party
defensive.
healers. Res me. Kurishimi, spam your... Okay, guys.
No, I
Wait,
get the aggro.
wait. I need to... Res on my main heal, party. Res
CD,
on my
CD,
main
CD,
heal.
CD, CD, CD.
Brag, res on my main heal.
I'm dead.
Lang, maghanap yung
Rest
lang ako
me first,
ng
rest me
kakantahin
first.
ko.
Oh.
Res on my main heal first, and then res on the party healer next. Main heal, please stay away from the party. Go to the side, my side, not there. Because you're way too near them. First defensive now, Rina. Res on Rina. Please, res on Rina.
POP from Hardcore
Second
Leveling
defensive now.
Warrior.
Second defensive now.
Kala ko box pre.
Revive Rina, please. Revive Rina. And heals on
I'm dead.
Yearning, please.
I'm dead.
Sino pa?
Okay lang at
Okay. Res my party healer first.
least sa Aberrade ka namatay. Hindi sa Tier 2 blob.
Res my party healer first. Please. Alwa, pagbuhay mo,
Cooldowns pa
res
ako.
Rina.
Uh,
Thank you, Z. Main heal, just stay in one place so that you won't go near to the party.
Ito nyo ba ng Taylor Swift na kanta, guys? Taylor Shesh.
Slowly res defensive. First defensive, Rina. I mean, slowly res DPS, please.
I'm still dead.
The bosses.
Okay, sige lang. Second na.
The sweetest kisses on our lips. Become a tragic memory.
Fine, it's fine. Revive Alwa first. Revive Alwa first. Rina set first now.
Here, wait lang. Ano mo?
Go to me,
Okay.
Rina. Main heal, go to me, main heal. Oh, never mind. Go back, main heal, go back.
Party heal
Okay.
dead.
Huh?
For you.
Breg is dead.
Yeah, heal dead. Party heal Bregma.
Uy, wag niyong
Right.
papapatay ang sugar daddy
Teka,
ko.
teka. Wait lang. Kuroshimi, can you do something for me? I need you to run outside fast. And then switch to revive if you can. Bakit ka nag-second defensive?
Run away to see none.
Hurry up, Kuroshimi. I need your sustain.
Who are you, motherfucker? Oops.
Okay, I think I'm gonna die. I think I'm gonna die. Wala. Okay, wala to. Okay, Kuroshimi, I need... Okay. Have you done this boss before, Kuroshimi? Not yet. First Average. Okay. Okay, you should have told me. Okay. It's fine. It's not your fault. I forgot to consider. I forgot to ask. Okay. So Kuroshimi, you're gonna notice like a red charge below you. That's gonna be a cleric lens. Have you noticed there's like a red around you, a red circle charging below you? It's not it's random. It's random among the raiders. So the boss is just gonna the clans will be random. It's not gonna be everyone. Okay? So if the red charge is below you, meaning you have the cleanse, because the Basi will give us debuffs. So that's called cleric debuffs. The purpose of the cleanse is to cleanse the debuff. So since I'm the main tank, I'm always near the boss. I will always have the cleric debuff. So if you have the if you have the cleanse with you, the red charge, the red circle below you, just go to me and wait for the cleanse to pop. Okay? And I need you to distance yourself from the party. So I am gonna try to position the boss properly so that you can position here in the circle. Okay? Or even if not in here, just away from the party. Okay, just away from Rina. Rina's gonna be here. She's gonna be the defensive. Okay? One DPS is gonna stay here. Another DPS is gonna stay here. And party healer is gonna stay here. So your position is gonna be the sides beside Rina. Okay? You're not gonna stay near the DPS. You're gonna stay near beside Rina and away Rina. Okay?
May CNMB
You
na
can
gather na lumalapit sa kuna,
okay. Wait,
dungeon.
let me continue. Sige lang. Just tell me if ano, papasok na or what. So, Kurishimi, I need you to just stay in one position. You don't have to keep on moving. Okay? Either way, your heels are gonna reach me. Okay? It's a long range. Just stay away from the skills of the boss. The boss has two skills. For the one which will turn you into stone, the small triangle, and then the big one is the fire breath. You just have to stay away from that. Okay? You're gonna see the skill charges. So you will know if the skill will hit you or not. Just dodge it. Just avoid moving around. And when you're healing me, using Holy Beam, I can see you staying near the DPS. You can just stay in one position and just dodge any skill of the boss. Okay? And once you transfer, you're gonna see me transfer from one position to another, from southwest to northeast. So once that happens, I need you to uh, move with me. Use your E. You can use your E to transfer here. Yes, for faster transfer and for faster movement. That way, you won't be able to stay near the party when the
To
boss
Blob,
will.
wait lang, sundan ko to.
Careful, Gray. You can also use your dodge roll to move faster. Okay, guys. Again, everybody, you already know the skill of the boss, yung the cleanse. Please go to me if you have it. And if you're too far away, DPS, if you're too far away from me, those who are near
Gag.
the DPS who has cleanse, just go to him. Okay? Yun lang. I just need you guys to have cleanse on you. Okay, I'm gonna start the boss again. Kurishima, just position yourself away from DPS and away from the skill of the boss and avoid moving all the time. You don't have to keep on moving. Just move when I transfer. Okay? 40, I'm gonna start now.
Plak yung dumaan yung plak. Dumaan lang.
Sige lang. Stack party, southeast. Stack closer to me. Stack closer to the boss because I can't reach you. Kuroshima, stack with the party. Stack with the party. And when I call for spread, that's the time then you need to stay away from them. Okay? Okay? Oh my god.
Na, 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 na.
That's the fire breath skill of the boss.
Kilala pero bastos.
It's okay, Kuroshima. You can just spam your Q1. Just spam your Q1 if my life isn't that low. It's fine. Don't waste your holy beam.
Who are you, motherfucker? Or gatherer? Plak, okay. You can pass.
And if my life is really low, you can use your holy beam then. And if it's really super low, use emergency heal, your grave guard. Okay? Okay. Sorry, Kurishima, I didn't know it was your first average. I didn't consider it.
It's okay. Everybody makes mistake. Like
Pero
me.
yung si King lang talaga nag-give up sa akin eh.
I made mistake. I died. I cry.
Ay,
No, pinaiyak niya talaga si ano eh.
di
Ay,
si
hindi
Moy
ako
kayo
umiyak.
King. Si Moy kayo eh. Di na ako
Item
nagsalita
yan.
nun, si Moy kayong
Iya, labas,
kumawawa.
labas eh.
Sayang nga, hindi ako nakapag-open mic kay EJ.
Si EJ.
EJ
Irving?
RB, the cheater.
Oh, but he's not a newbie, you know? He's got 100 mil.
100
fame.
mil.
Bro, look at his fame. He's much higher than me.
Newbie mind.
Oh my gosh, res on me now. Res on me party.
Oh, I got the
Okay.
dam. I got the aggro.
Spread now, first defensive. It's fine. First defensive. Spread now. It's all good.
It's all good in the hood.
No. Move away, guys. Move away, Karishimi. Move a bit.
Yes. Okay, very good.
Hindi
DPS,
na
Kurishimi, try to adjust to Kurishimi as well, okay? Kurishimi, run with me here.
Hindi na tumubo yung mga puno ko dito, madam.
Asher, layo ka konti. Gusto na tumubo. First defensive, sorry. Heals on Arena, please.
Who are you
Rina,
people?
when I have cleanse or may lumapit na cleanse sa akin, lumapit ka. I need you to have
Sons of-
cleanse. Yoshi, layo konti kay main heal. Come to me, Kuroshimi, come to me. That's the cleanse I'm talking about. Okay, very good. Nice.
Okay, it's on Rose. We're going.
First defensive, Rina.
Ano tong isang Ava dito, madam? Ava dungeon.
San banda?
Sa'yo rin to? Sa may
Yes.
west? Lapit sa Terry?
Yes.
Walang
Tatalo
karga?
na namin yung mamaya. Kuroshimi,
okay.
away. We tried to yan.
Wait lang. Na-nerf ba yung yung CD ng healing? Bakit ang tagal ng cooldown ko?
Sorry, di naman kita tatawagin.
Food.
Ano, I food up. Bakit 4 second yung cooldown niya? What?
First defensive now, Rina. Heals on your name, and Rina, please. Heals on my defensives. Okay, run away. It's fine.
Namatay yung alt mo dun, Z?
Second now.
Nawalan mo wifi. Skill issue.
Heals on Z.
Ramdam ko rin yan dati, pinapatayan ako ng wifi. Pag alas 2, bubuksan ko ng wifi.
First now, Rina.
Siya magaling talaga yung sa boss yearning. Walang sakit yan eh.
What?
Wala bang umiilaw na tier 4?
Huli. Laban ako dun
Paano yung kaba, madam?
First now, Rina. Okay.
Yoshi, move a bit. Yoshi. Okay.
Heals on your name, please.
Okay, move away.
Don't let your name die, please. Breg, yung big heal mo, ilagay mo sa gitna nila para makalapit sila. Now, Rina.
Doing it.
Thank you, Brad. Heals on Rina.
No, hindi umabot. My bad.
It's fine.
Rina, ayaw kong i-heal ni Alua. Win
Ay.
nga yun.
Gagi. Ikaw ang
Porkit
hindi
wala ka
hit.
na sa guild. Wait.
It's fine, it's fine. Pakitingin nga yung yung stock ni Asher. Parang hindi siya nag-heal eh.
Hindi naman, nag-heal naman siya.
First na, Rina.
For some reason.
Wala ba siyang stock?
Yeah.
Thank you, Yoshi. Guys, you can see the stack below your name, okay? If it's a lot, then just go to me first glance.
Stock na siya.
Let's go, let's go. First na, Rina.
Moving on. Dami palang dumadaan dito.
Madami.
Rina, cleanse, Rina. Okay, thank you. First na, Rina. Oh, nice one, party.
Oo. Katan lang.
Go to me, Rina.
God.
Okay. Ay, bobo. Ba't ako gumalaw? Sorry. Hindi pa pas.
Demonyo yung kamay. Gumalaw.
Lumikit si Rina, namatay si Asher. Lumikit si Rina.
I'm sorry, party.
Ano?
Oh my God!
My
Nakadrop ka na ano? Revive Rina. It's fine. Revive Rina.
Party Hill Southeast dead.
Breg, revive Rina. I mean, party healer muna.
alawang
Revive,
na.
alwa. Kasi alwa muna.
Gana one hit ako. Full hit.
Go, Ash. Thank you,
Ay,
Ash.
hindi umabot. Naglag ako.
Hindi ka naman namatay, diba?
Hindi.
First defensive now, Rina. Thank you.
Rina, 500k penalty ka sa akin.
Nilapitan, namatay. Dumikit si Rina, namatay. Na-interrupt yung skills ko.
Caught in 4k.
Buti nga hindi sinasadya eh. Sa lim, may mga troll raiders kami. Lumalapit talaga pala patay yung kasama eh.
May
Dapat ganun.
First, Rina.
caught in 4k ka, susunod ka kay Z na magte-trending sa TikTok.
Invis, tas di umiwas. Ang galing.
Thank you, Zin.
Kala niya maliligtas
Anyway.
siya.
Mababit for heals. Okay.
HCE ka be.
Kala mo maliligtas siya ng invi niya sa sword eh.
Ano buong araw sila doon?
Ay, nagbag yung boss. Hindi ako nagkakastock. Let's go.
Ang gabi na, ba't kaya ganun, no? Minsan na yung ano eh, last boss, di ba?
Oo, hindi nag-i-stock
Hindi
pag na...
naging stuck. First now, Rina.
Yeah, we're not getting stuck anymore. What?
Ano kaya, like, how do you activate kaya yung bug? Okay. Akala ko yung pinakamalapit laging nagkakastuck eh. Random lang pala yun. Okay. Grabe si Yoshi, di mo lang binigay. Umikot ka lang sa akin eh.
Tapos
Sama ng
umakbo.
ugali.
Tapos tumakbo.
Nice move, Yoshi. Nice move.
First na Rina.
Ipagdamot mo
nako.
yan sa iba. Sa'yo yan binigay ng Basilisk. Pinaghirapan mo yan, tandaan mo yan.
Oh no,
Pinagpawisan mo
Kuroshimi,
yan.
you need to, next time there's cleanse, you need to go near me, okay? You need to have cleanse. Oh no. You're about to die. Don't die. Don't sustain yourself. It's fine. Sustain yourself.
Kuroshimi dead.
Oh, revive on my main heal. Revive on my main heal. Okay. You need to get cleanse as well.
Yeah. He's got healing sickness because of me.
Hold on. Fine. First now, Rina.
Yoshi.
Go to me, Kuroshimi. Kuroshimi. Go to me. Hurry up. Okay. Oh,
Dinikitan si Asher.
nice one, 40. Kuroshimi, do you have premium? Oh, dude, si Tyrion yung lumapit sa akin para patayin ako. Pero siya yung namatay because I was gonna guardian armor. 30 days. Okay, Kuroshimi, open first. There's a beginner's luck.
Oh,
Ay, wala pala.
For mine.
Okay.
There's no beginner luck.
Okay, don't do it again.
you don't have JC na sad.
No, we will bring back PC. We will do world boss, you know? There's 30 mil for every run.
Marami talaga, Maralia. There are a lot.
Anong FP? Facebook.
Funny poodles.
Feeling pro.
Ay, sorry, feeling pro, sorry. Okay, in Bridgewatch, it's
Funny
funny poodles.
poodles.
Tapos sa Limers, is feeling pro. May FB rin ba sa atas?
Ako, feeling pro.
Oo.
Minsan nagja-joke ba sa inyo si Tayer na ate? Dun?
Minsan
Nagja-joke?
nagjo-joke?
Ayan.
Joke?
Parang, joke, yes.
Joker.
Pag nag-joke yun, madam, sabihin mo, are you joke?
Your life is a joke.
Parang,
That's all you need to say.
Slave yun ni Yearning si Tyrion eh.
Oh, report na yan. Human trafficking.
We're breaking gate now. Ano tawag dito? Gray, may dala ka bang ano? Or naka-ano ka lang, Gray? Naka-gathering gears ka lang?
Naka-cosplay ako.
Okay. Sige.
Hindi ka na
Pero
Gray.
okay lang, makaka-skip naman ako dyan.
Hindi ka na Gray. Palto
Hala,
na tayo.
Gray. Gray, pagdasal mo, Gray, ito yung my last boss. Kasi, I forgot to tell you pala, yung second dungeon pala yung my last boss.
Ah, okay. Gwenchana.
Sige na, at
Ning,
least
Ning,
brother,
ning, ning, ning.
You get scam. Oh
Ay,
my
I
god.
did not scam
Focus
him.
mo talaga captain ko.
Oh, you
Nakalimutan ko. Okay, gate has been broken. Hindi kita
Yeah.
ginamit, Gray.
ginamit
lang?
ka niya.
Hindi, Gray. Nakalimutan ko lang talaga. Honest mistake.
Panakit
Honesty is
butas
the
na
best
landas.
policy.
Scout, Gray, go inside now.
Kukunin ko pa yung chest dun, te.
Oh yeah, you can if you want. So you have 3 minutes from 15:29. Otherwise, maka-close na yung gate.
What if
Pag di mo mabit-bit,
Huwag
akong
mo na kami
bibit-bit.
pabalikin. My gosh.
Oh, bawal ibalik. Bawal bumalik.
Wala. Rina. Ay, wait. I'm not on spirit pala.
Kunin mo pa yun, 400k lang yun.
I-donate ko sa guild, ako magdadala.
Rina, GA, Monday Club.
Sige, kunin mo.
GA na.
Kaso overweight. Gagong dami ko palang nag-gather na
Oh,
kahoy.
God. I forgot. Sorry. I'll stun.
Ako ikaw pala, bro.
Ang sipag ko naman.
Oo.
Silence now, people.
Be like me guys, masipag mag-gather.
Press F40.
Ayoko maging...
Charity ginawa mo kahapon eh.
Okay
GA
lang,
again.
naghihirap na sila eh.
Ginabasag pa nga lahat ng gamit mo.
But why are we clearing this? Okay, party, after this, be on the escape gears, we're gonna go to the second floor. Nakalimutan ko, sorry.
Diyan ako nyok.
Okay.
May natira pa niya? Wala na.
Skip until second floor.
Meron pa.
Skip, guys. Be patient, okay? I don't want you to keep on dying, just escape, like, escaping the mobs.
Ay, tanga na. Mali.
Lakad, party, lakad. Ash!
Yan.
Tapos na-closean tayo ng Gray, no?
Tumakbo kayong dalawa.
Run for your life.
Just keep swimming, just
Oh,
keep...
no, 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 no.
Hindi ko alam kung may makukuha pa ba kayo dun sa ano eh. It's like,
400k.
meron pa ba?
Gray.
Meron, madam. Do-donate ko
Meron
sa
ba?
guild ko. Itong mga tier 4 run. Mga runes.
Okay
Gray,
ko.
class na Gray. Dalihan mo, Gray.
Ganyan ako kabait. Nagdo-donate ako sa kalaban, tsaka sa gate.
Ay, sakto kunin mo to, men. May bibigay ako sa'yo, dali. Para wag ka na mag-aarbak.
So, tie party.
Hindi
Ano yan?
tayo mag-arbak.
Oh, sige.
Hindi, na-down na.
Yan.
Gago, overweight.
Okay. Wait lang. Stay here. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Ash, na nahirapan kami. Okay, party, be in your, switch to PvE. We're gonna kill this first, because it's gonna be annoying.
Kwentuhan tayo muna dito, Gray.
Let's just kill this. This one
Ano
here.
gamit mo? Ay, guys, na-ox ka pa na. Okay lang.
Okay.
Kailangan na talaga dito if you're gate breaking this reset kayo sa full map.
Ayun na may gate break. Is my GA ready? Thank you.
Uy, gago na
Ano yun?
tamaan.
What did you say? Your mic was cutting off. Your mic was cutting off. Okay. I know,
No.
Ash. Your mic was cutting off, Ash.
My God, mali.
Silence.
Cyber.
For the party.
Gray, Gray. Loot ka lang dyan, Gray.
For the party GA again, Rina.
Wala, overweight na ako. Okay na to.
I'll stun.
Oh.
Ay, din na.
First time
Ano na
ko
kayo?
mag-
Silence.
kami kasama dito.
Silence. Ay,
Hey, may kasama na yung Scott.
Okay. Break gate. Uy, nakapasok na kayo sa gate?
Yes.
Oh, madam,
Okay, nice.
I'm inside of your mind.
Aw.
What the?
Something wrong with Gray today. Alam niyo ba
Yeah.
yan? After niya mahulugan na, naging ganyan na siya.
Yeah, nakakabaliw. Huwag mong subukan, masisira ang buhay mo.
No, thanks.
Ano mo tawag dyan? Nagbuwang.
Hindi, okay
Dali lang
lang yun.
mabawi yun. Mang-istapa lang ako ng ibang guild.
Hindi, okay lang yung Gray. At least hindi ka na nakawan ng 200 mil.
Sino na nakawan?
Ako.
Kailan?
Pinagamit sa West. Pinagamit ko yung island ko. Then,
Gate is almost broken na. Skip na lang kayong dalawa. Good luck not
Okay.
dying.
The bridge. Tara
Guys,
na.
you can just stay here. I'll check the second floor. You can just stay here so that you won't die again. Someone get
Okay.
angry.
everyone died.
G. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay, sunod kayo lahat.
Kung gusto yung sumunod, make sure di kayo mamatay
hindi ka susunod,
Hindi
Kwan?
na.
Hindi ka susunod. Tawag dito?
I'm just gonna check. Paano?
Mamaya.
Mga ko lang naman yan. Hindi ka ma...
Nag-break na sila ng gate. Nag-break na sila ng gate. Nyaw.
Nag-break na ba sila ng gate? Tara.
Na-break na yung gate. Okay, wait for me. Wait lang, gonna check.
Ay, gagi. Maagro ko to.
Oo, patay
Okay
nga
lang,
ako yan.
It's fine. Just aggro it. And so, transfer.
Wala na, patay na naman si Nyap.
Patay na naman si Nyaw. Paano na lang si Gray?
Donate. Paano si Gray na donation?
Gago talaga si Aluwa, pinaulit-ulit.
Pinapamukha na nag-donate kahapon yan.
Helping community ginawa mo dun, pre, kahapon.
Ah?
Helping community.
Ano yan?
Community
Pa-
service.
Tulong kasi yun sa sa community ng Albion.
Diba basag yung kwan, iikot ulit yun sa drop.
Gagi. Hindi. Lahat ng 6-4 na nabasa ko napupunta sa black market, alam ko. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Oh, that's what she said. Stepsister ka ba?
Dude, I'm really stuck for real.
Okay. Go. Sorry, Gray. We're gonna go to the next setting so that we can...
Okay.
Reyna, don't go. I'm stuck.
It's okay. Gwenchana. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, guys, we're gonna bank and go to the second dungeon for green.
Ding, ding, ding.
I promise it's fast run it. We're gonna fast run it.
I gonna get aggro, guys. Go.
Z, okay ka pa, Z? 11:30 yung sinabi mo sa mama mo.
I-out na ba?
Di ba? I sacrifice for you guys para makadaan kayo.
Yeah.
I-out na.
Yes, yes, yes.
Out-
Kinulang ng powers ni Z.
out
Walang
na ba?
tulog sa
Out na?
babae.
Sabi ni madam.
Yeah, no. A-out scout first. We're
Ala.
gonna go to the second dungeon.
No.
Ah, didiretso na kayo? Di kayo magbabang?
No, we're
Wala.
gonna... Babalik kami sa sa portal to bank.
Madam.
Let's just not check the, check sana namin. Huwag na natin i-check, Z. Baka palayasin ka na dyan eh.
Sakto guys.
Okay lang daw siya mapalayas, sabi niya.
So, yung second dungeon is yung sa may wala sa may Terry.
May Rina sabi ni madam, i-out na daw eh.
Ano ba, wait
Nag-i-out
lang, wait
din
lang.
ako.
Gusto niyo bang puntahan yung second dungeon? We have to create it on second floor. Yun yung hindi namin nagawa kanina because of the, It's up to you guys. Because we have another
Bilisan nyo.
dungeon sa Ridge.
May medium chest dito.
Hindi siya safe, madam. Huwag na lang erase.
Wag na
Saan kayo
lang.
pumunta sa gitna? Ay.
Okay, sige. We're gonna go to the, the isang dungeon with last boss. Scout, can we out scout?
Yes.
Okay, everybody be here, skip gears, force rolling case, gallant, and be pots. Stay out now.
Faster ah. May medium chest dito sa Dell.
Scout,
ZA
go. Gray. Mauna kayo. Gray, you need to go ahead of the scout, okay? Because we're gonna fix.
Binigyan ko na.
Going inside the tunnel muna ako.
Okay, si Gray sana. Party, just stay here muna. Stay here, stay in ground. Gray, asan ka na, Gray?
Paloob ng tunnel, madam.
Scout, asan ka, Scout?
Dito na ako.
Okay, Gray, go one zone further from the scout, okay? Mauna ka sa amin. And pag
bilis.
lumabas na yung nag-zone in na yung scout, you go ahead ulit.
Sige, madam.
Just
Dito.
hug east. Okay,
May
party?
kit, may block,
We're
may
gonna go
block.
inside the tunnel. We're gonna go inside the tunnel now.
May
Ano?
Go tunnel. Go tunnel.
What?
Ay,
May blob dito, may blob dito.
San yung blob?
Dito sa Vista.
Vista. San banda
go
yung blob?
tunnel. Go tunnel.
Party tunnel na. Asan yung blob sa Vista? We're just gonna hug wall. We're not gonna go in the middle, of course. Ina. Asan si? Scout, you're supposed to stay sa, zoning sa tunnel.
Go
Next
tunnel
time.
lang dito ako, madam.
Zone out tunnel, Gray.
Rina, don't stay there, Rina. Come here.
Diyan lumipat ng guild, Rina. Palo ba South Page ka?
Lagi
We're
nag-zoom
gonna
si
zone out
Rina.
yung tunnel na.
Nag-zoom na si Rina. Hindi nintay party.
That's fine.
Clear na.
40,
It's fine.
please don't go in the middle. Go to the sides. Go to the sides. Don't go in the middle. Go to the sides. Scout, I told you to go. We're gonna hug wall. We're not gonna go to the middle. Tang-inang yan. We're supposed to go where you're walking so that you can see. Go northeast of Terry, please.
There's
Northeast
a
of Terry.
scout TCL.
Bakit tayo nabablog? Gray,
Ano?
sumasabay ka
May-
sa amin, Gray?
Sumabay na ano.
Gray is
May red
behind,
na
is
sumabay.
close.
TCL yun ah.
May
Scout,
DCL na dumaan.
Gray. Dumaan ka sa ibang pathing. Huwag ka sumabay sa amin.
Yes.
It's fine.
Okay.
We're actually on roads. Di ba dapat?
Nagbablog kami, Scout.
Wala na, madam. Malayo na ako.
Wala.
Are you sure wala dyan?
Guess all it takes. Fall in love with me.
I need to learn more about Scout.
It's fine.
It's okay.
Fine.
Guys, clear. You can
Just open your radar.
Umsil.
We'll get banned like
Press F
me
party, press
together.
F.
Get one like
It's fine.
No, I don't wanna.
Okay, hurry up. Bank your loots, repair. Replenish your inventory pots and food, and then go to the island now. We're gonna move out as fast as we can. I'm just gonna do the dungeon fast.
Pass month na nga ako.
Magdala ka ng borok, pre.
Sim.
Wala ako
Nobody-
pambili.
I'm assuming nobody's leaving, okay?
Bilan na nga lang
Yep.
kita. Halika dito.
Wag, hindi, okay lang. May mus ako.
Man, hindi ako papayag.
Mali lang yung bag na nadala ko. I have moose.
Pambayad ko na rin sa'yo sa may direbolt.
Kwan yun, 400k lang.
Wisit.
400k 400k lang yung direwolf na yun.
Guys, tumatanggap
pro-
ako ng map donations, okay?
No
Okay.
province.
God, 400k.
If you guys are ready, go to the Guild Island. Regroup and let's go move out as fast as we can.
Salamat. Salamat Kia. Love
Okay,
you.
ilang food tayo kanina? It's 2 food,
Dalawa
right?
lang.
Okay, 2 food. So, pangatlo later. Oh my God,
And a half.
makakaapat to si...
No, it's 1.5.
Makakaapat to si Nyok.
Oh, 1.5. Kasi
Yaman mo na naman, bara.
Hindi, nag-explain ka kasi kaya tumagal.
Yeah.
Hindi, wala. Basta makaldo ako.
Hindi yung kan ano.
Hindi kasi... I should have.